Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. So I wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on with the transmission. I talked to Calimer last week. As you know, if you watched my previous video, we shipped the transmission already. It's going to be arriving Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. I called Calimer for a heads up. We did have a 7 to 10 day turnaround time. That has moved out a bit, so I was informed it's going to be 6 to 8 weeks. A little bit long. I can ask, hey, what happened? Last time I talked to you, it was 7 to 10 days. So apparently the gear sets are no longer available. They're sold out. The manufacturer cannot make them quick enough. I'm not sure if they're having some COVID issues. I know a lot of manufacturers are, but anyways, before they get any more sets in, it's going to be 6 to 8 weeks. So by the time they get the gear sets in, get the training rebuilt, the full rebuild, stage 3, I don't know if that was included in the 6 to 8 week period. So we're talking probably into January, which means there's no opportunity to get the car out whatsoever, unless we have a mild winter like we did last year. I did take the car out on Christmas. It was beautiful, but again, that's probably not going to happen this year. It's predicted to be cold, extremely cold. So forget the background noise. There's a lot going on around here. Cars going by, chainsaws going on, so hopefully you can hear me. So anyways, we'll talk a little bit future state. What are we planning on doing next? So for the spring, our biggest objective, as you know, if you watch on my previous videos, a lot of traction problems. Lots of traction problems. Can't get the car hooked up, and one of the reasons why was we had a 410 rear gear. So we went down the road of changing over to the Steeda lower control arms, or billet aluminum lower control arms, Steeda upper control arm. That's a solid mount. Also, we have the Mickey Thompson ET Streets. Those are 28 by 11.5 by 17 wheels. They'll seem to work okay, but they should work much better now since we have the 373 gears. So I'm hoping that's going to cure a lot. Again, don't know. We'll see how it goes. We got a whole new transmission going in, a lighter rotating assembly, which is going to put more power to the wheels. So I'm super excited about getting this training in and seeing how it works. So if we don't get traction on that current setup, our next goal, next step is to install the BMR relocation brackets for the sway bar, so we can get 15-inch wheels on. Then we'll move to a 15-inch tire for street and strip. Hopefully that will get us to where we need to go. My goal is, and as you know, if you've seen some of my videos, some of my Instagram stuff, I do a lot of, I like to do a lot of playing in the street. We'll leave it at that. We do plan on getting some, drag racing time in. Not a lot. I'm not going to spend my life there. We also have a draggy GPS, which is going to be a nice tool for us to use and gauge where we're at on the street in comparison to the drag strip. We also will run it at the drag strip just to see how accurate it is, but super excited about that. So some of the next plans for the car are, again, full bolt-ons is where we're at. We are looking at our cam change. I've been sitting on Ford Boss Racing cams for a while. Oh, look at this. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, we have Ford Boss Racing cams to install, along with billet steel oil pump gears. We have the stronger crank gear. We also have the Illuminator water pump. It's a high volume water pump. And then we are looking at doing some lightning work on our phasers. I have some phaser plates from MMR that will lighten that rotating assembly. Hopefully that whole setup with the cam install should gain me 30 to 35 horsepower, along with a lighter pulley on that water pump. So lighting this whole rotating assembly, as you know, always helps with getting horsepower back that you lose through rotating mass. Now, we do have a billet aluminum flywheel. We have one-piece drive shaft. And of course, the wheels and tires were lightened. The flywheel was worth 10 pounds lighter than stock. The billet, the one-piece drive shaft was worth 17 pounds. And then the Mickey Thompson ET Streets on the Dragstar wheels are worth, for both pair, are worth 24 pounds over the stock 20-inch wheels. So all that mass has definitely helped the car improve. We've pretty much have reached our limit for lightening the rotating assembly. Some of the next steps that we may look at is, I still have the 90mm throttle body. Will that boost or help boost horsepower on these new cams with the longer duration for the exhaust cam? It may, I don't know. It's going to be worth checking out. So some of the other things I'm considering, and I don't want to go there, but we might, is intake. I need to get an intake with higher volume. Is it going to be a Cobra Jet intake? Possibly. Will it be an Idabrock? I need to contact them and find out what their volume, what their specs are, what their volume of air is in comparison to the Cobra Jet. As we know, the Cobra Jet, it picks up, I think it's a 20 horsepower gain across the whole power band. However, I did improve horsepower on the ported intake. Now, will that be up over that? I don't know. It's a risk I got to take. What I wanted to do ultimately is keep the Boss integrity, keep it all Boss before we go there. But again, with all these mods, if I can apply that to the street, have it be a low 11-second street car, I can definitely have some fun. I got some my sights on a few people that I need to go after, and we'll see how that works out. So that's kind of where we're at. I want to thank my new subscribers. Thanks guys for signing on. Again, to all my viewers, I think y'all pretty much know I'm not a high volume producer, so we're not going to be kicking video out 3 or 4 times a day or daily. This is just a side hobby for me, and to share my learnings, share my experience with my S197 family members and bosses. So guys, hope you liked the content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.